DEF Limited has imported goods to the extent of $1 crore. The payment terms are 60 days, interest-free credit. For additional credit of 30 days, interest at the rate of 7.75% per annum will be charged. So you can take a credit period of 90 days. However, in that case, for the remaining 30 days, you are required to make the payment of interest. What is the rate? 7.75%. The banker of DEF Limited has offered 30 days loan at the rate of 9.5% per annum. Fine. Their quote for the foreign exchange is as follows. Spot rate is given 72.5 rupees per dollar. 60 days forward exchange rate is given and 90 days forward exchange rate is given. Which of the following options, means which of the following alternative would be better? First and second. Like that, so the two alternatives are given to us. I want you to tell me answer of the first alternative. Now let me read the question first of all, and I want to give you some explanation. Pay the supplier on 60th day and avail the bank loan for 30 days. Avail supplier's offer of 90 days credit. So dear students, over here basically we have to understand this is the day 0, this is day 60 and this is day 90. Logically we have to understand the answer like this. Supplier has told us that you may make the payment after 90 days to me. I don't mind in that case. In that case, you are required to make the payment of 1 crore plus interest. This is the amount that you are required to make the payment in dollar currency. The rate at which I am going to charge interest to you will be 7.75%. So the interest will be charged to us at the rate of 7.75%. Like that we understand. And of course, whatever the payment that say you have to make in dollar currency on that date, for that the applicable exchange rate will be 73.45. 73.45 rupees per dollar. That is the rate at which you are going to buy the dollar for the purpose of making payment to the supplier. This is the alternative number 1 that we have. Is that okay? The second alternative is that say we take bank loan for an amount equal to 1 crore into the forward exchange rate for that is 60 days, 73.15. So it is 73.15 crore, that is the amount of the loan that we take from the bank on 60th day. This loan will have the rate of interest as per the given information 9.5%, and this loan will be repaid on 90th day. From here it is 90th day, and from here it is like the 30 days time period for which the loan will be taken, and we will have a payment over here. We have to take a decision that which alternative is better, whether we should make the payment directly on 90th day, in which we have to make the payment of 1 crore plus interest at the rate of 7.75% for 30 days, or otherwise we should make payment on 60th day by way of borrowing of the funds from domestic bank, and then we make the repayment of the loan after further 90 days. This is the decision making which we are required to do in the question. So this is what we understand. A student is asking a question like this, that sir, what is the use of the spot exchange rate? Giving reply to that question, that it is of no use to us. This spot exchange rate is given to us for the date on which we are taking the decision. This spot exchange rate is given to us for the date on which we are taking the decision, and of course it is of no use to us. Now let us read the first alternative. Pay the supplier on 60th day and avail the bank loan for 30 days. So write down answer for the first question. In that, write down, in order to make payment to supplier on 60th day, comma, we have to borrow funds from bank at the rate 9.5% for 30 days. Full stop. Borrowing will be of rupees 73.15 crore. In bracket write down 1 crore into 73.15, full stop. There is no buying rate, selling rate. After 30 days, comma, repayment of loan will be as under. So it is principal plus interest. So it is 73.15 crore plus 73.15 crore into rate of interest is 9.5% into 30 divided by 365. Because the question does not provide 360 days to be taken, so I am taking 365 days. 73.15 into 9.5% into 30 divided by 365. So 73.15 crore plus 0.5712 crore. So 0.5712 plus 73.15, that comes to 73.7212 crore. That is the answer of the first alternative. And friends, whatever this point that I have dictated is also forming part of the answer, because only in that case we will be able to give the entire answer. Now I want you to calculate the answer for the second alternative, and my suggestion to all of you is to take 365 days unless the question is providing 360 days to be taken. Second alternative, avail the supplier's credit offer for 90 days credit. So answer for the second alternative. Everybody is requested to write down answer along with me. DEF Limited, that is name of the company, DEF Limited, will enter into a forward contract for 90 days. Full stop. Forward contract will be for sell rupees and purchase dollar. With paragraph read down, it will be entered upon for $1 crore plus interest at the rate 7.75% for 30 days. Hence, total cost slash total amount payable total amount payable will be as under. So it will be calculated as principal plus interest into forward exchange rate. The principal amount is 100 lakhs, that is 1 crore, plus 1 crore into rate of interest is 7.75% into 30 divided by 365. So this is the interest to be added to the principal into forward exchange rate, of course, for 90 days, and that is 73.45. Again, there is no complication of the buying and selling rate. So here it is 1 crore into 7.75% into 30 divided by 365. So it is 1 crore plus 0.0064 crore into 73.45. So it is 1.0064 crore into 73.45. That comes to 73.92008. So 9201 crore, that is what I am writing. This is the way we have the payment in total. So based on this, we can take decision like this: A and B. In case of A, it is 73.7212. 73.7212, that is the amount in crores of rupees, and 73.9201. That is the way you are to make a comparison, and you are required to select an alternative which is having lower cost, that is A alternative is selected. This is the way we are required to write the answer. So write down final answer. The company is advised to make payment to supplier on 60th day and avail bank loan for 30 days. Full stop.